We are the first day on Wheeler Lake on Monday, and we've been out about an hour dragging, and we got our first blue cat. So it looks pretty good. It's good to be here. She's a nice little starter. It's a little disappointing. It's about 6:30 at night right now, and I've got a big storm about ready to roll in. And we're a bit docked right now, so we can't go anywhere. It looks like a pretty big lightning storm. So we were just sitting here, waiting for it. Got a nice fish tangled in all the rods. That's PB. That's a giant 47 pounder. Night fishing's been phenomenal out here. Such a beautiful fish. Great shape, real hard fighters tonight. We're gonna get it back in. And he's ready instantly.
What do you think? How was that fight? All right. I just caught my PB and
74 pounds on the ground.
And Seth did just got murdered this rod.
This one feels big too. This is catfish problems. Hashtag catfish problems. That's a 74.
And we didn't even know
and
yet.
That's probably a 45 or 50 laying on the ground. Back to back.
Hey guys, just caught my PB 2 days ago, 51 pounds. And tonight we were just talking about how we're both gonna compete and break each other's PB. Seth has 52, I had a 51. And the far left rod just took off running and just screaming. And I grabbed it and just right away knew that it was a hog. 74.2. My biggest fish.
Wore you out?
I'm wore out. Wow. This is awesome. This is why we do it right here. This thing is a toad. Man.
Get it back in, huh?
We're gonna put it back.
Catch and release.
That's Big Daddy. All right, 74.2 pound Wheeler Lake blue cat going back to fight another day. A little slimed.
Man, that is crazy.
Wow.
What a struggle today all day. I don't think we caught a fish from
we didn't
11 a.m. to...
It was at 6 o'clock we caught our first fish. I think he was maybe 6 pounds. And then we had a call from a buddy asking us to go to dinner. And it was such a beautiful night, we just decided to stick it out. See if we could land some nice fish. We probably caught 6 more fish in the next 45 minutes. And it's just been on since. And then I just caught that 74.2, and then Seth just got a 48, just back to back. Unreal. That's what fishing's all about.
So tonight's the night dreams are made of on Wheeler Lake. Absolutely incredible. How many fish now? 50. I don't know how many fish we've caught. Multiple fish over 50 pounds. High 40s lost at the boat about a minute before we got this one. Just absolutely phenomenal. All fish out of about 100-yard radius. I can't even believe it. We're just dumbstruck, in awe.
This is a giant.
What a giant. 74, 62. Is this a 62?
Yeah, 62.6.
Wow.